Good morning, everyone. Let's do a quick one on surface area of a pyramid. Surface area of a pyramid could be very, very confusing, but with this simple method, you can solve it and get the answer so quick. And that's the formula on there. You find the area of the base, you take the base times the slant height, and also the length times what? The second slant height. Let's start with the first one. What is it? We need to know the L1 and the L2, which is the slant height. And that's the first thing you should go and do. How do I get the L1 and the L2? The L1 is for this side. I'm going to try that. See, yes, as soon as I'm bringing out like this line here, and you can see I did this myself. It's not in the question. So I have to bring this out. So if you see this triangle coming out, see it. It's like this. This is the L1. And then the half here is what? 7.5, half of this. And then the height here is the perpendicular system. You now want to get for the L2. Likewise, the same thing. You're going to do, okay, this comes down. Then this slant height. But this time I need to be 5, that will be here. Although it's 16, that's still here. The half of this one, that will be here. Then L what? 2. How do I get L1? L1 is equal to, for the L1 equals to square root Pythagoras theorem, 16 square plus what? 7.5 square. And that gave me 16 square is what? 256 plus 56.25. 56.25. And this gives me 325. This gives me 0.25. 3.2.25. And if I find the square root, 17.67. For the L2, the same thing we done. L2, I'm getting L1 now. So L2, the same thing we done. L2, square root of 16 squared plus what? 5 squared. And that's L2 equals the square root of 256 plus what? 25. And that's square root of 281. So what's 16.763 area? Therefore equals to area of the base, that's 15 times 10. The base is a rectangle, 15 times 10 plus L2 plus the base. The base means the breadth is 10. 10 times what? L1. What did we get as L1? 17.6. So plus the length 15 times plus the length 15 times the L2 that we got, 16.763. So we now have 150 plus, multiply these values, that's 176.7 plus, that's now 251.445. So we now add all this together, plus 176.7 plus 150. So my answer is what? 578.145 centimeters squared. I believe this is